In this video, I will show you how to send Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. To do this, first go and open up Kraken and click on Transfer in the bottom left, and from there click Withdraw. Now here you're going to select Solana, and then what you want to do is click Select Address, and then Add New Withdrawal Address. From there you will need to add your withdrawal address, so to find this, go and open up Phantom Wallet, and on Phantom Wallet click Receive, and then on Solana, go and click on the copy icon. Now go back to Kraken and simply go and paste in the wallet address, and then continue. Then you can give it a nickname, and then from there confirm the details and then click confirm. Then from there you need to confirm via email and then click continue to withdraw. So you will get an email that looks something like this, and then when you scroll down you can just click confirm address, so go and do that, and then the withdrawal address has been approved, and you can then go back to Kraken and now select that address. Then from there just choose how much you want to transfer, and then you want to click on the purple arrow, and from there if you have enough in your account you can go and transfer it, and it will then show up on your Phantom Wallet. So that's how you can send Solana from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.